So why I think it's relevant to train educators on these materials, these irecs materials, is because educators are actually the ones that need to pick it up and have to embed it in the curricula. So if we target educators, we are at the best chance of disseminating our materials.
I think it's very important to train educators so they can learn from each other's experiences. If they're together in one room and share their experiences, especially if they're from international perspectives, they can learn from each other and each other's international contexts.
So I think it is important to train educators because it's important to create spaces for reflection on education. And a lot of us are very busy providing education and teaching, but not very often we sit and we reflect on our practices, and we not very often we come together and we also share feedback with each other, thinking about our practices and how can we make them better for the specific groups that we want to target.
So I think it's important to train educators because it's actually beneficial for the irecs materials, because it makes us aware of how can we adapt those materials to be more useful, more relevant for different audience, for different types of training, for different also cultural contexts. And I think this is a great opportunity to gather all that.